Here's how to write notes using your voice on the iPhone. Let me show you two ways that you can use for this particular purpose. Let's get started. And if it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first way is actually using voice memos. And I know that you want to actually type the notes. You don't want to capture your voice, but the voice memos have the transcription feature built in. So it just means that if you start a new recording, you can speak whatever, you can leave pauses, you can make it even like 30 minutes long, whatever. But after you finish it, you can click on the transcript and it's going to show you in real time what you are speaking. So the recognition is pretty good, and that's great because you can just speak in, as I said, for a long time and you'll be able to capture the voice. Then you can tap the three dots, copy the transcript, and then paste it into your notes. That would be the first way. It works fine. I sometimes use it. But then you can just set up the regular dictation. And so in your settings, you can find the general section, and in there is the keyboard. You want to make sure that the dictation is enabled, that the proper language is selected, and also like the grammar stuff, I like to keep that turned on. And then whenever you are in some different places, like in your notes or literally any place where you can use the keyboard, you can always tap on the microphone icon and start speaking directly, and it will just be transcribed and it will be sort of like typed in instantly to the text field there. So that's another way you can use your voice to write notes on your iPhone. So let me know which option you prefer more. I'm really curious to know about it. I sometimes use both, so yeah, let me know about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.